Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about the pen tool, how we can create a path. I'm going to refer to this image real quick, and I will use this image as a reference. So first of all, we need to select a pen and we need to select the path. We could select the shape and do all, but the path is the for selection. Sometimes when we use background selections, select subject or remove background, there are edges coming on the images, and in order for to do a cleaner job, we need a pen tool path. So a path has been selected. Now I'm going to create a path. One click here, then click and now the path has been closed. Now we can refine it. So go into the arrow, direct selection tool, and also select convert point tool. Now you see that when we click on the convert point tool, it will make those nodes, and now we can simply adjust the single node and the points. Okay, for example, over here you can also use the keyboard move keys to move the points around. So this is the way to fix most of the issues. Notice the one point is missing, so we can add a point here by using add anchor point tool, and we can add the point and we can simply adjust the points like this. Now we can, if we move this point, you see there will be a problem, so we have to add a point. I'm going to add a point here again, and I will use the direct selection tool to move the points like this. So this is how this is done mostly. Like this. Adding points and moving them to control the object like this. Now I left this point on a purpose. Now add this point and move the point like this. Add the point, fix the point. Right, almost. Now this point, convert point tool again, convert into a curvy area, and now this has been, I think, almost done. Okay, again with the points, we can select the pen tool as well and add the point, but sometimes that don't work. Sometimes there are issues, but okay, sometimes. Notice there are rough edges, so we are not selecting those rough edges. Rough edges mostly are not selected in some of the cases. Now this is done, and now Now we can simply go on the top and make it into a selection or a mask or a shape. So I'm going to make it into a selection. With 0 radius and new selection. And now as this is a selection, we could even save the selection as a path, whatever name we should give, path 1. And now we could simply control shift and J to move this into a new layer. Notice nothing happened, but this moved into a new layer. Now remove this and you will see a clean image with the background removed. We can put another background, and we can notice that we have removed the background smoothly as it could be. So this is the way to make a selection using pen. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel, save my video and share my video. Thank you for watching my videos.